Hey guys, Ambulance 6914 here. What you see here is a Hunter Piedmont.
Is it? Oh, I don't like switch for it.
It's off at the chain.
Oh, thanks for telling me. Okay.
It has a rather interesting Hunter light kit on it, or at least what I believe to be Hunter.
That's a very interesting venting system for that screen.
Excuse me. I'm doing my best to keep you out of the shot.
That's Texan for all right. Or ghetto, depending on who. Yeah, they stole our language.
Dang it, dummy.
This is an Emmanuel special.
Although it does move good air.
It's still an Emmanuel special. That's the point. Every Hunter, even originals, are Emmanuel specials. Mainly the 90s Hunters, though.
Either way, this is a childhood Emmanuel special.
I have a few.
Everyone does.
Comfort pieces. And, custom home.
Mm-hmm.
Passports Studio Series. So now you see where I wanted one of those 4-bladed ones. Spaghetti Warehouse. Alright, well, I'm going to sign off. So thanks you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Get lost in here. Oh, it's not one of those viewer canopies.
Installer's choice, yep.
No, it's the newer one. Like the different style.
Oh. I have never checked the date on this.
It's probably mid. Just gonna spam that group with photos from here. Christmas is late. Oh yeah, Merry Christmas everyone. I forgot to say that in my videos. But,
Oh yeah, Merry Christmas. I guess we'll have to make this this is gonna have to be my Christmas special.
I don't have a Christmas special. I just recorded a video saying Merry Christmas to everyone. And let's remember the true meaning of Christmas. That's all I do. And I do have to do my vintage fan collector in 1080p now, guys. There you go.
Do.
Ha.
And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching.